Hello again, and welcome back to another AC tutorial. Today, we're introducing a powerful new way to bring AI directly into your automation, the AI Actions Library. I'm going to show you how you can use this library of pre-built AI commands to go beyond step-by-step workflows and let autonomous agents imagine, activate, and validate your marketing for you. We'll build an automation, generate personalized messages, and more, all using the new AI Actions Library. Now, if you're ready, open your account and let's get started. But what is the AI Action Library? The AI Action Library, it is a collection of pre-curated AI prompts that you can easily integrate to your automation workflows. Instead of building custom prompts from scratch, you can now use curated library of ready-to-use AI commands to handle parts of your marketing. Think of it as a team of goal-aware AI agents, ready to work for you right inside the automation builder. This is active intelligence in action, empowering you to automate smarter and faster. Now, let's have a look in each individual library action available. First thing, go into the plus button, workflows, and then you can locate the library actions there. Click into it. You can find it here, all the pre-made actions, but you also have the possibility to build your own prompt. The first one is the summarize, which you can create a summary of a given field to better organize feedback, requests, and more. There are a few options that you can select from and save all the data into a specific field. Next up, we have the analyze action, which is a must if you receive feedback from your clients. It helps you to extract meaningful patterns and trends to manage the relationship. You can prompt what you're looking for into this specific feedback to be analyzed. Some example, how urgent is this request? What kind of feedback is it? And you can save that information into a specific custom field. Next up, we have the translate action, which allows you to translate information that you have on a specific field into a new language. Up to 75 different languages available, and save that information into another custom field. Next up, we have the classify intent action. This action allows you to analyze the text of a field and categorize it to determine the context intent and goals. This can help you to better understand and organize information about your context for future use. And finally, we have the determine sentiment action. This action allows you to analyze the text of a field and determine whether a context is positive, negative, or neutral. Then save the result to another field. This can help you to understand the overall sentiment of your context message for improved communication. Theory is great, but let's see how this helps you to build on your wins. For this example, I have an automation that is managing all the feedback that I receive from my customers. I have the summarize action to summarize all the content of that specific feedback in a specific amount of words. Next up, I'm going to use the action analyze to understand what kind of feedback is it provided. I can prompt the way I want it, and I can ensure that there are specific outputs that's being revealed, like troubleshooting, complaint. For this example, I got a complaint from a customer. Then I can use the translate action to change the language. For example, from English, that is the native in the account, to Spanish. It's gonna show me the example response and then the original field just beneath that. Next up, I'm gonna use the classify intent action. This is gonna be based on the feedback field. I can select a specific intent, like makes a purchase, leaves a review, and then generate a response on it. And finally, the determine sentiment to understand if it's a negative, neutral, or positive sentiment from the feedback received. And that's it. You're now ready to put the AI Actions Library to work. This is how you move from less busy work to more impact. It is truly the way marketing automation should be. So open your automation builder, select the AI Actions library, and start exploring. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just add them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.